Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Lee. I come from Bukit Mertajam in the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia. Now I'm staying in Kluang, Johor. So welcome everyone, and as you know, I'm now teaching or uploading my video of my book, my second book, bilingual book. And today is the last lesson. The last lesson because this book has 40 lessons in all. So after this book, after today's video, I will not be uploading this book anymore because I have already finished. That's the simple explanation. Okay, and the last lesson is actually on a topic called punctuation. I think you know, starting primary school, you are taught your own name to be in, the first letter to be in capital letters, and the name of your school, your class, capital letters. So of course, punctuation is not limited to capital and small letters. Punctuation means comma, full stop, exclamation mark, open and close inverted commas, okay, or semicolon, colon, and so on. So actually, punctuation consists of many symbols that we need to make our language, to make our sentences and our presentation more more clearer, so that people understand. All right. So you can see that it's not like the normal videos that I upload, because normally I would actually have 2 exercises in one video, but you can see here 4 exercises in one video, because I pick, like exercise 1 I pick 4, exercise 2 I pick 2, that one is a repeat, exercise 3 I pick 3, exercise 4 I also pick 2, because I see that most of the exercises are more or less the same. So I think it's okay. I just pick out the important ones to discuss with you. And if you have this book with you now, okay, if you have this book with you now, you can turn to page 132, 133, and you follow. You can see I jump the numbers. Is it 5, 6, 7, 8 actually? And never mind, I will just follow. If you don't have this book, is okay, you can just listen. Today I have written the questions and the answers together. Who is Encik Zainal talking to? So W must be a big letter, and because the word who, when you use the word who as the first word in your sentence, it must be a question. So it becomes a question and not a statement or a sentence. So who, question mark. And then Encik Zainal is the name of a person. So the name of a person, like your name and my name, we need to use capital letters. Wow, what a beautiful car. So wow, put a comma. W, actually if you look at my book, if you have my book, you will see that I actually should put a small W, but then I don't know how, as I was typing, I typed a capital letter, or I don't know, maybe it's the first letter, so automatically it becomes autocorrect. So could be any one of it. Anyway, it should be a small letter, but then the answer must be a big letter. First put a comma, then an exclamation mark. Okay. Oh, so you are my father's friend! Exclamation mark behind. Oh, put a comma. Or a comma first. Okay. And my sister's dress is red in color. M capital letter. Now you can't say my sister's dress. We must show that the dress belongs to my sister. So my sister apostrophe S. Okay, you add apostrophe S, and then color. You need to put a full stop after the word color, because it's the end of the sentence. Silence, the teacher shouted at the pupils. So here you need an open and close inverted commas. Open inverted commas, close inverted commas. And you need an exclamation mark because the teacher is very angry. Silence, one word. And then the teacher shouted at the pupils is a complete sentence, full stop, capital letters. Now, many students ask or they want to know. Actually, is it exclamation mark, full stop, and then close inverted commas, or is it close inverted commas and question mark, exclamation mark, or full stop? Actually, which is correct? Now, my understanding and my knowing and following the internet, if you like to check, it should be exclamation mark, question mark, comma, full stop, close inverted commas. That means the close inverted commas is behind, it's not in front. You can check the internet to be sure, to confirm. So this is what I tell you now, okay? But I do see a lot of articles that are written that way, close inverted commas, full stop. So I think I will still accept full stop, close inverted commas, because when you close inverted commas, you are closing everything within the inverted commas. Okay, my explanation, my understanding is this. You can check the internet to reconfirm. Okay. Exercise 2. Do you like to eat mangoes? Aziza asked her friend Masita. Now, do, does, did, first letter, first word, same as who, when, why, how, what, which. If it is the first word, it is a question. It is used as a question. So automatically you have a question mark. But because Aziza is the one talking, so you need open and close inverted commas. Aziza is the name of a person, so A, capital letters. And actually it's a full stop, her friend, full stop. But you want to write down the name of that friend. You want us to know that the name of the friend is Aziza. So you put a comma and name of Masita, and then only you put a full stop. So whenever you want to add a name, in front of the name you need to put a comma. Okay? You don't know that man, do you? This is question text. I have taught you before. Example, this is don't. Here becomes do. If this is do, you do know that man. Seldom we say that, but anyway, I will say, you know that man, don't you? So, don't becomes do. And then when you just have the word no, here becomes don't. So this is called question text. Refer to my previous videos, you can see how I taught you that time. So why capital letters? Because it's the first letter for the first word. And then after the word man, before you put the question tag, you need to put a comma and then question mark. Number 2, I don't have to read because it's a repeat. I don't know why I wrote that. I chose that. Exercise 3. Who's making so much noise? Asked the teacher angrily. Now, whose? It is not W-H-O-S-E, It's just W-H-O-S. So don't be mistaken. It's not that whose pen, whose eraser, no. This is actually who is. But the short form is whose. But you cannot write like this. You need to put apostrophe. So somebody is asking, the teacher is asking, so it becomes a verbal sentence. Therefore, you need to have open and close inverted commas. Okay? Open inverted commas, whose. Whose you must put an apostrophe up here, and then the S you separate because it means who is making so much noise, because it is a question who. So it is used as a question. You need to put a question mark and then close inverted commas. And then ask the teacher angrily, full stop. Mother bought a packet of flour, a tray of eggs, and a tin of oil. So mother and capital letters. After flour, there is something else. So you need to put a comma to separate the two items. But because this is the word is a conjunction, is and, so you do not put comma again, no more. The and is replace the commas and then put a full stop. My little kitten Tompok is very playful. Now remember, actually the sentence is my little kitten is very playful. is a sentence. But then you want to tell us that the name of the kitten is Tompok. So what you do is put a comma, Tompok, comma again. So this can be a person, my little sister Sally, same, comma, comma, or whatever, people, animals, things, places. If you want to put the name of the item here or the person or the animal here, in front and behind you need to put comma, comma. Okay, so M capital letters because it is the first letter of the first word, and then Tompok is the name of the kitten, in front, behind put comma, and then playful, full stop. Norlia, Ramli and Jebat celebrated Hari Raya Aidilfitri with their families. Norlia, N capital letters, put a comma because you have to separate the two names. Ramli, R capital letters, but because of the word N already takes over the place of the comma. It's a conjunction, so you don't put comma anymore. But Jebat, you put J big letter because it's the name of a person. And then this is a celebration, so HRA, Hari Raya Aidilfitri, capital letters, just like Chinese New Year, C and Y. Okay? Families put a full stop because it is the end of the sentence. Farida's mother is teaching science in Sekolah Menengah Batu Gajah. You cannot have Farida's S there. You have to separate the S, but you need to put apostrophe Y. It means to say, the mother of Farida. Okay? The mother belonging to Farida. So when you write Farida, F capital letters, but you need to put apostrophe S to show that it belongs to, the mother belongs to Farida. Science is a subject. Any subject at all, you need to put a capital letter, and then the name of the school, SMBG, capital letters, and then put a full stop. Alright, so I have already finished the last lesson. No more. So I will not be uploading any more of book 2 because I finished, officially finished. Alright, if you want to buy this book or this book, my first book, you can WhatsApp to me. And book 3, I'm working hard. So when book 3 is ready, I will announce in my YouTube channel. For now, I can tell you it's going to be a long way. And does it mean to say that I have already finished uploading the whole book and you won't see me uploading videos anymore? No, I will still upload videos because all this while there were people who asked me or requested me to teach certain things. For example, my next video is about order of adjectives, whereby adjectives, how is the order? Order means how you arrangement of adjectives. Example, big blue sky or blue big sky, which is correct. So there is a way to arrange. So this was asked by someone a very long time ago. I don't know whether this person is still following my video. But if he or she is, then your weight, your patient weight is already, you can already look forward to my next video. Okay, and after that there is another video which was requested by also someone, my subscriber or someone who was watching, or could be a viewer. Okay, and then after that I will see what I can upload until my book 3 is ready. Then again the same thing, I will upload every chapter in my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you for watching. Remember to give me a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video.